Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to start the lesson number 7 of madani qaida with tajweed, and the name of lesson, the letters of madda. So before starting this lesson, I would like to request to you to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you are actually learn the Holy Quran with Tajweed, and inshallah, in this channel, the complete Quran Pak, verses by verses, word by word with Tajweed, would be uploaded here. So the name of lesson is the letters of Madda. So, what is mean by Mada? Before starting this lesson, we must know the concept of Mada. Basically, Mada is derived is comes from mud. And what is mean by mud? Mud mean is to stretch the letter. Mud mean is to stretch the letters. So this sign, this sign is called skun, and the other name is jazm. So this sign is called skun. The other name of scone is jazm. When a letter which has scone, when a letter which has scone or jazm on it is called sakina letter. So this sign is called scone, or other name of this sign is jazm. When this sign is comes from any letter, so these letters are known as sakina letters. Okay. How we read the sakina letter? Basically, the Sakina letter is read with mutaharik letter coming before it. So, there are three letters of Madda. There are three letters of Madda. They are Ya, Waw, Alif. Ya, Waw, Alif. There are three letters of Madda, and how Madda letters are exist. So, the symbol of Alif Mad, when there is Zabar before an Alif, when there is zabar before an alif, it becomes alif madda. Okay, when there is zabar before an alif, it becomes alif madda, just like this. When zabar before an alif, this zabar, whatever the letter is that we don't concern with. So the concept is that when there is zabar before an alif, when there is zabar before an alif, then it becomes alif madda. Okay. When and how the waw mad, when there is pesh before an alif, sorry, when there is pesh before waw sakina. Okay. When there is pesh before a waw sakina, it becomes waw madda, just like when there is pesh before waw sakina, this is waw sakina. Okay. When there is pesh before waw sakina, then it becomes waw madda. Okay. And how there will be yamad, when there is zer before ya sakina. When there is zer before ya sakina, then it becomes ya madda, just like this. When there is zer before ya sakina, this is ya sakina, and this is zer. Okay. When there is zer before ya sakina, then it becomes ya madda. Okay. Pronounce the letters of madda by stretching them up to one alif. Alif is equal to two harakat. Spell out as ba, alif, zabar, ba. This is alif mad. Okay. Ba, wow, pesh, bu. ba ya zer bi ba bu bi. And the mother letters are stretching by one alif or uh, up to two harakat. Okay, so let's start this lesson. And this is alif mad, this is waw mad, this is ya mad. The symbol of alif mad, when the mutharik letter comes before alif, then this there will be alif mad. Okay, ba alif zabar ba, ba waw pesh bu, ba ya zer bi, ba bu bi, ta alif zabar ta, ta waw pesh tu, ta ya zer ti, ta tu ti. And now we are going to learn this lesson without spelling. Tha, fu, fi, ja, ju, ji, ha, hu, hi, ho, hu, hi, da, du, di, la, lu, the, ro, ru, ri, za, zu, zi, sa, su, si, sha, shu, she, so, su, sui, bo, bu, li, to, tu, tui, lo, wu, wi, ra, ru, ri, wo, wu, li, fa, fu, fi, ho, hu, li, ka, ku, ki, la, lu, li, ma, mu, mi, na, nu, ni, wa, we, ha, who, he, a, u, e, ya, you, ye. So the lesson number 7 is completed, and I think you got it. And if you have any question regarding this lesson, so you may ask, and inshallah, I will provide the sufficient material to support you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.